Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. I'm your host today. My name is Dumsani Sindana, and in this series I'm gonna just make a quick introduction into forex market using IQ option. And if this is your first tutorial, welcome. There are so many tutorials to come, and I hope this is gonna be useful to you guys. I'm just gonna make a few introduction here. When you log in for the first time, this is what you should see on a panel, on your interface. Now I'm gonna show you some few icons and the features of this application that we're using, and why I chose this IQ option, because it's user friendly and easy to comprehend, and it shows all the data in one panel. So as you can see, the chart by default is gonna appear like this. And firstly, this is a thing you're gonna have to change here. But firstly, I need to explain what is done in IQ option. We're trading commodities, we're trading currencies, stocks, and currencies. I'm talking about bitcoins, cryptocurrencies, because if you understand, we do have currencies, we have cryptocurrencies. When I'm talking about cryptocurrencies here, this is what we have under cryptocurrencies. We have our bitcoins, trillions, Ethereum, US, Stellar, and much more. Litecoins, ripples, you name them, they're all there. And under stocks, we're gonna have Verizon, VW, Vodafone, Visa, Twitter, all the biggest trademarks and brands that you can find in Unilever and stuff, much more. Under commodities, I'm talking about gold, crude oil, plant, platinum, silver, wheat, and much more. And under option, we have these are the currencies I was talking about. When I say there's a difference between currencies and cryptocurrencies. And then here we're talking about the pairs. We call them the pairs here because it's GBP and versus USD, and GBP versus KD, and so on and so on. So this is what makes IQ option one of the best, because under it you can find binary and digital. So this under a very short time, expiry time of 1 minute. You can find them under option here. But now we're gonna focus on forex, and that's how it is. So now the first thing you need to do is to change your graph, your chart, into candle, Japanese candlesticks. As you can see, we have the party, the Hikinashi. Now I'm gonna have to choose this Japanese candlesticks and choose the red and green format there. So there you go. Now I have it right. Now that I've chosen this is what you need to see here. This is a time frame here, according to the data, how the market has been working out. It goes from 1 day to a year data on how it's been trading for the whole year up to now. But you don't need all that kind of information to be able to analyze the future of the market. You just need this portion right here. This is where we're going to learn and analyze, because this is what we are certainly interested in, what's going to happen. So now, as you can see, it already says Euro versus USD. These are the pairs I've chosen right here. But if I need to view one more pairs, I can say Australian versus USD. I have 2 pairs here. I'm gonna have to delete that, something I've been working on earlier on. Okay, now let's say I want to see this simultaneously. We can change the chart grids. I can choose the 2 charts. Now I have 2 charts, but I don't really recommend this one. It can be very confusing, especially if you're gonna trade with real money. So I'm gonna leave it to single chart view. Now that we're back here, a 7-day time interval. That means what you see here on this panel, on this interval, is what's been happening for the past 7 days. That's the rest of last week, from Monday up to today. So I need to change that one into 4 hours, because that's a strategy I prefer to use, guys. This is what I'm going to be training you. It doesn't mean it's right or wrong. It's not all about right or wrong, but it's all about what works for me, and I believe it's going to work for you. And if you have something that works for you, then that's great. At the end of the day, we all want to make money. So yeah, that's more about it. And if you want to switch to a real account from practice account, you can just come here. There you have your real account. It's always gonna be red, green in color. And if you can see, I haven't deposited anything yet, because I'm just focusing on training you guys. But if I have to switch or deposit, just click right there. If I need to withdraw funds, you can just come to this panel right here and click withdraw. And as you can see, there's a huge button there where you can make a deposit.